Whatever happens, the most important thing ni timu yangu ikuwe imejitayarisha kuanza ligi. So, but we are looking forward to a normalized league, our league that is competitive and a league that is recognized by FIFA. Otherwise, whatever we are doing, we are making a big joke out of ourselves.
Tunaomba tu ligi organizwe vizuri, kusikuwe na challenges kama za last season hizo za walkovers na stuff. Tuna hope ligi itakuwa competitive this season. Tuna hope a lot of things is a change, hata mambo ya officiating, mambo ya fixtures, because ilikuwa inafika time pia fixture inabadilika kila saa. So tuna hope wakati huo wameweka mikakati mizuri, yani vitu ziweze kurun smoothly.
I think what is important now is that they should talk to the stakeholders of football. Get time, talk to the stakeholders of football, the coaches, the players, the referees, the fans. Talk to them. Just know also what they feel and what needs to be done here and there. If you open up to them, I think you'll get some of these answers.